So yeah, if you guys don't like cheese or cheese on the top, don't worry. You can omit that. This is only my imagination, you know. And nothing wrong with that, guys. It tastes really, really, really nice. Actually, the cheese is really good though. I thought this bio cheese, gluten-free, it won't do the same taste like the other normal cheese, like cheddar cheese or what kind of cheese. But yeah, behave like real cheese as well. Masarap even. Tsaka slightly healthy siya. There you go. Gata at tagapulot Mami Mel. Oo nga, ano. Yan no, sobrang lapuyot ba to sa Cebuano eh. Lapuyot na guys, oh. Diba? Lapuyot or sticky na. Don't forget guys, nandito, paki-like naman. Salamat. Misi talaga mag ng cheese one by one ay. Sarap sana as well if I got vanilla, but I really does it deliberately that this year I don't buy vanilla bean or vanilla liquid source, but I don't do that this year. Para maiba naman this year. Actually last year I didn't make, I think too. So this year I didn't make it. Every now and then I did miss it, you know. There you go guys. Our Biko and our magic sauce that really, really make this even nicer. So it will absorb on the bottom once I cook this in 25 minutes. There you go guys. See? Ang dami niya. Kalain mo yan, ang dami niya. Kaya nilagyan ko ng oh wow, it's so hot this oven now. I put the big plate or the what do you call that one? The pizza tray in the bottom of the oven. So this one we're gonna do like that. Oo nga po. Mas masarap pag pag mayroong vanilla syrup, yung talagang pure. Pero this year hindi talaga ako nagbili kasi sabi ko iba naman. Lagay natin ng cheese on the top instead of vanilla. So yan. To. So yan ang ating hello 1600 million in the house. Sana all. Thank you so much YouTube, dear friends, and all our visitors. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, everybody. What's your Halloween doing, guys? I know everybody doing the trick and tricks these days. Kids and also the adults and parents. That's really the main one. Even here in the Western world. And sa Pinas, the same thing too. My loved ones, they really do. My nieces and nephews. I got two of them. They really do that. And my sis and brother enjoying the show. Ang sarap, my goodness. Okay guys. Ayan. So we're gonna put this in the oven now. I'll open the oven guys. So our oven here is really, really hot there. So hindi ko kayo dadalhin doon because it's super hot. So ilagay ko muna kayo dito. Yan lang guys. Wow, 5 million viewers. Okay. I put this in the oven now. Oh, this area don't have cheese here in the corner. Lagyan natin ng madaming cheese. It's really good if you do 2 hands, you know. Then only 1 hands. Alright. Concentrate muna ako dito guys. So hindi tayo pasok. Hindi tayo maburn. Yan na muna kayo ha. There you go. Very, very careful. It's really hot. So we do that. So all the toppings we're gonna put in the bottom. There you go. Sorry for the noise guys. I'm just trying to absorb it more in the bottom. There you go, it's done. Wow. Alright, huwag ka muna mag-drive crazy here. There. There you go.